Welcome to Vertical Multiplication and Division Booklet 3, Introduction into Multiplying 2 by 2. So we're actually going to do it in a couple of different ways. Method 1 is the distributive property. So 32 times 21, I'm going to split them up and make it a little bit easier on you. So 32 I'm going to split up into two parts, 30 and 2. 21 I'm going to also split up into two parts, and it's going to be 20 and 1. So I'm going to rewrite this 32 times 21. I'm going to use my parentheses here. 30 plus 2 times 20 plus 1. So my first step is to multiply the first number, 30, by the two numbers in the second group, 20 and 1. So 30 times 20 is 600, and 30 times 1 is 30. Step 2, multiply the second number, 2, by the two numbers in the second group as well, 20 and 1. So 2 times 20 is equal to 40, and 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So all you need to do now is just add up all of the numbers together. So 600 plus 30 plus 40 plus 2, and you end up getting a final answer of 672. Now we're going to go ahead and teach the standard algorithm. So let's say I had 52 times 13. I've set it up vertically here. My first step is to multiply the ones place by 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Multiply the tens place by 3 is next. So 3 times 5 makes 15. And I go ahead and throw that right there. There's nothing left for me to multiply by 3, so now on the next line, put a 0 for a spacer and multiply the ones place by 1. So there's my spacer. And now I'm going to move over. So 1 times 2, that will give me 2. That's going to shuffle on in there. And multiply the tens place by 1. So I have 5 times 1. That's going to give me 5. So now all I need to do is add them up vertically. So my final answer is 676. Let's go do one a little bit harder than that. And again, we'll just use the standard algorithm. I'm going to do 86 times 27. So I'm going to set it up vertically again. 86 times 27. Okay. My first step is to multiply the ones place by 7 and regroup the tens place. So since 6 times 7, that makes 42. So I'm going to leave the 2 down below and bring the 4 up top. My next step is then multiply the tens place by 7 and add the regrouped 4 tens. So 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus that 4 regrouped tens, that would make 60. That's going to go ahead and pop up right there. Now, on the next line, again, put a 0 for a spacer and then multiply the ones place by 2. So there's my spacer. 6 times 2 is 12, so I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 right there, and I need to carry my 1. Now remember, you need to erase or write over the old regrouping. So since I need to put a 1 up there, I go ahead and replace it. So the 4 is now gone, because you no longer need it because you've already used it in the previous part. So now let's go ahead and do 8 times 2. I'm going to basically multiply the tens place by 2 and then add the 1 regrouped to 10. So 8 times 2 is 16, plus 1 will make 17. Again, all I need to do from here is just add them up. So I need to add up vertically. So my final answer again is 2,322. Again, if you have any questions, please ask your guardian instructor. And there's plenty more examples in your books. That way they can really help you out with this. Hopefully you got this down cold and there's no problems. All right. Good luck.